welcome to my channel The Best. So today let's discuss about Noise Vibe 5-watt Bluetooth portable speaker. So this speaker I have purchased at 999 during the deal price, but the MRP of this speaker is 4,999. And if you come to the specification of this portable speaker, it's a 5-watt sound output and it's a 9 hours playtime, so it can give you the music for 9 hours, and it can support TWS, so you can listen and you can connect both speaker at a time. And it has a feature like IPX7 waterproof, so it can bear the water till 30 minutes. And along with this box we can get, and we also get the 1-year warranty card. So if it causes any trouble during the usage of the speaker, you can connect with the Noise brand and you can replace the speaker with them. And this is Noise Vibe 5-watt speaker. It's a portable speaker you can carry anywhere, and it's a very lightweight speaker. You can see it's covered with olive green sponge mesh. And now let me on the speaker, and you can also listen the welcome tone of the speaker. It's very good to hear. And it comes with 4 buttons. It comes with 4 buttons. The first button is power on and power off. The second button is used to play and pause the song, and the remaining 2 buttons are to increase and decrease the sound. So now let's go to sound test of the speaker, and let's see like how it works at 50%, 75% and 100% of the volume. So now I'll play the song at 50% volume and let's see how it works. So now I'll play the song at 50% volume and let's observe. So please use the headphones for the better experience. So this is the sound at 50% volume. You can experience the sound, like the treble and bass are very good. Now let me increase the sound to 75%. So now I'll play the song at 75% and observe the music. So this is the music at 75% volume. Now I'll increase the sound to 100% volume and observe the clarity of this speaker. So now I'll play the music at 100% volume. Let's see. So till now we have observed the sound at 50%, 75% and 100% volume. So at 3 level it's working fine, and the treble and bass are very perfect and it's balanced well. So if you have any doubts, any concerns, you can leave your comments so that I will reply to those comments. If you like the video, please share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new videos going forward. Thank you.